On the count of 3, 2, 1. We are INGLU fans!
Hey everyone, so this is on this side and I am here with a very amazing topic for you all, and we'll be discussing this particular topic in today's video. So the topic is that why particularly sales and marketing is a very good career option for you all. So yes, you have heard about these particular terms, that is sales and marketing, many times in your life, and you have went through these particular terms, sales and marketing, like each and every day. So why is it that you are afraid of these two particular terms, that is sales and marketing? Why are you always afraid when you ever listen to these particular terms? Is it because that you are not able to sell? If it is, then you are probably risking a very good career option, a very good path that can lead to a very good life. So please watch this video till the end, so you will get insights about sales and marketing and how to make a career out of it. Yes guys, you heard right, sales and marketing is one of that particular field that is termed as the most successful career option. And you guys know why these particular terms are the most successful career options? I'll tell you, because this is a particular role that generates revenue in any organization. You can term any particular organization, the most revenue that is generated in that particular organization is to sales and marketing, because these are the particular terms which conducts in dealing with other individuals. It is B2B, is it B2C? So these are the particular terms where you convince someone, where you talk to someone, where you really generate revenue for an organization. And these are the particular terms that are never on a risk, because in this particular condition that we are in right now, that is coronavirus, we all are suffering through this particular condition. But there is one single profile that is not affected by this particular thing, that is sales and marketing. You must be thinking about why sales and marketing is still working on, and why sales and marketing is the particular profile that is not hampered by this coronavirus. So the particular main reason for this issue is that sales and marketing is still generating revenue option for an organization. Each and every organization wants to generate revenue, and sales and marketing is a way to generate that particular revenue. Now here comes a very big question, that is how you can sell anything, or how, if you guys give a time and think about it, then you have been selling these particular things all over and over from your childhood, whether it was selling a lie to your parents or to your teachers, or whether it was convincing your friends for a particular trip that you wanted to go for. So you have been selling your lies or your particular plans to each and every particular person from your childhood. Yes, it was you who was doing this particular thing. And also guys, if you want to learn more about this particular thing, that is how to sell to someone, or how to market any particular product, or how to go with these particular things, or how to start a career in this particular profile, that is sales and marketing, you should never miss this particular thing that I am telling you right now, that is sales and marketing bootcamp. Now this is particularly something that will be giving you experience, not just theoretical but also the practical experience, which will help you learn through your practices that what sales and what marketing actually is, how these particular things happen up in the market. So that's the thing for today's video guys. Also guys, please comment down that what was that particular lie, or what was that particular thing that you sold during your childhood. Bye.